How many times have you felt this? You're lying in bed, exhausted, but your mind won't shut down. It's replaying a conversation, worrying about a future deadline, or scrolling through a mental to-do list that never ends. Your mind feels like a chaotic swarm of thoughts, a place of constant noise. You're not alone. This internal chaos is the reality for millions of people. But what if there was a way to quiet the noise? What if you could train your brain to be your greatest ally, not your worst enemy? This isn't a spiritual belief, it's a scientifically proven fact. In this video, we'll explore how meditation physically transforms your brain, give you a simple, guided session to start your journey, and provide a holistic roadmap to build a calmer, more resilient mind. Chapter 1. The Overwhelmed Mind. The Science of Why We Can't Be Still. To truly understand the power of meditation, we first have to understand the science of what's happening in our brains. For many of us, our minds are in a constant state of doing. We're either dwelling on the past or planning for the future. The default mode network. Scientists call this a hyperactive default mode network, DMN. This is the part of your brain that's responsible for rumination, the repetitive dwelling on negative past events, and for constantly analyzing future situations and potential negative outcomes. When your DMN is stuck in this loop, it triggers a stress response. Your adrenal glands release stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can make you feel agitated, tense, and irritable, even when no real danger exists. This is the biological reality of anxiety and emotional distress, a direct link between a chaotic mind and an overwhelmed body. Recognizing the signs. So how can you tell if your DMN is in overdrive? The symptoms often go beyond simple stress and include chronic fatigue, even after a full night's sleep, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep because your mind is racing, persistent muscle tension, headaches, and digestive issues, a constant feeling of restlessness, nervousness, or being on edge, irritability, and a tendency to get angry over small things, withdrawing from friends and family, and feeling a lack of connection. If these symptoms feel familiar, it's a sign that your body's alarm system is stuck in the on position. But here is the good news. You can learn to turn it off. Chapter 2. The Meditative Brain. How stillness rebuilds your resilience. Meditation is not about emptying your mind of all thoughts. It's a workout for your brain that trains it to be more resilient. When you meditate, you're actively engaging the parts of your brain that are responsible for focus and present moment awareness, which directly counters the overactive DMN. The physiological impact. Deep, controlled breathing, a core component of meditation, is a direct signal to your brain that the danger has passed. It activates your body's parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's off switch or rest and digest system. This directly counters the fight or flight response, causing your heart rate to slow down, your muscles to relax, and your mind to quiet down. Studies show that a consistent meditation practice can even help lower your cortisol levels over time. Now, let's put this science into practice. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Chapter 3. Your Guided Meditation Session. The visuals change to a minimalist, calming aesthetic. Soft, ambient music plays. The host's voice is gentle, slow, and soothing. I want you to focus on your breath. Don't try to change it, just notice it. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, and feel it as it leaves. Pause for 10 seconds with music. Now, let's begin with the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This simple yet powerful technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, is designed specifically to promote relaxation and reduce stress. The host guides the viewer through the following steps with clear, steady pacing. Step 1. First, let's exhale all the air out through your mouth, making a gentle whoosh sound. Step 2. Now, inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Count slowly to 4. Step 3. Hold that breath inside for a count of 7. Count slowly to 7. Step 4. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8, making that same gentle whoosh sound. Count slowly to 8. That was one full cycle. Let's do it again. The host guides the viewer through the steps twice more. Pause for 15 seconds with calming music. Now, let's try one more technique called box breathing, which is known for its ability to calm the nervous system and improve concentration. The host guides the viewer through the steps. Step 1. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Step 2. Hold that breath for a count of 4. Step 3. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Step 4. And hold that breath out for a count of 4. Let's do 2 more cycles together. The host guides the viewer through the steps twice more. A final long pause with calming music for like 20 seconds. Now, slowly open your eyes and gently re-engage with your surroundings, carrying this sense of calm with you. Chapter 4. The Holistic Approach. Beyond the Breath. While breathing is a powerful tool for immediate relief, true wellness is a journey. To manage anxiety long-term, it's important to support your body in other ways too. Nutrition. You can naturally reduce anxiety by incorporating a nutrient-rich diet. Focus on foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, nuts, and avocados, which help regulate neurotransmitters that calm the nervous system. Also, include omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish like salmon and walnuts to support brain health. You should also stay hydrated, as even mild dehydration can affect your mood and make you feel more anxious. Lifestyle. Regular, moderate. Intensity exercise can significantly lower stress hormones and release feel-good endorphins. Also, prioritizing consistent, high-quality sleep is crucial, as poor sleep can worsen anxiety. And don't underestimate the power of connection. Talking to friends and family can be a powerful stress reliever. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be a powerful release for pent-up stress. This simple act of journaling can help you identify your triggers and process your emotions more effectively. Conclusion. Remember, your breath is always with you. It is a powerful, portable tool that you can use anytime, anywhere, to find instant calm. By taking just a few minutes each day to practice, you can train your body and mind to respond to stress with peace instead of panic. This is not just a mental exercise. It is an act of self-care that builds your emotional resilience from the inside out. The mission of The Wellness Path is to help you build a healthier and happier life by nurturing your mind, body, and soul. If this video truly helped you and you want to continue on this journey with us, please show your support. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and together we will continue to bring you the best tips and tricks for a life of true wellness. Thank you for watching and be well. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional clinical care or medical advice. Please consult a healthcare provider for guidance specific to your case.